Zilco materials require minimal maintenance, though it is advised to keep the surfaces free of grease, dirt and sweat with some mild soapy water. After use, this can be rinsed off with clean water. An advantage to using Zilco tack is that the equipment can be safely cleaned in a multi-purpose disinfectant with no damage to the materials. This enables yards to ensure that they maintain high biosecurity standards and is especially important with equine flu and equine herpes virus outbreaks. Wet tack should be allowed to dry naturally by hanging in a ventilated space out of direct sunlight. Do not use any petroleum-based cleaning products, liniments or solvents. This includes oil-based fly repellents or alcohol-based wound dressings. Traditional leather should only be cleaned with a soft cloth or sponge and some water. This can be quite meticulous and time-consuming. Areas that are under pressure during riding and exposed to saliva can be breeding grounds for bacteria, such as the ends of cheek pieces and reins that come in contact with bit rings. Specially formulated products such as glycerin soaps or leather cleaners are needed to work into the leather, sealing the pores and attempting to maintain its soft feel. It is crucial to always follow the manufacturer's guidelines when considering commercial leather cleaners and conditioners. Thanks to its modern synthetic materials, Zilco tack is much quicker and easier to clean than traditional leather gear.